Okay friends, today I want to draw an umbrella in LibreCAD. I think it is a simple umbrella. Okay, for the first, let's take us. Oh no, I think we should activate some snap functions. There are three: snap, snap out, endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, next, create a circle center radius, and type the radius is 82.5. Left click to put the circle on the screen, sorry. Right click to escape. And next, create I think it's vertical. Select vertical line, and the distance or the length is 150. Select snap point N. Left click at the top of our circle, right click to escape. Okay, now we got the information about the image, that this is the center of our drawing, and this shape is upside with distance 18 from the center of our drawing. So we need to take a horizontal line. Select horizontal and type the length for horizontal 200. Select snap point middle, left click on the center, at the center of our circle, right click and select parallel, and type in the box the distance is 18, and number 1, left click to the upside of the horizontal line, right click to escape. Now we can delete this one. Select trim tool and left click at the horizontal line, left click at the circle to trim. Okay, right click. Now select the circle as a trim line or cutter line, and then left click at the line to trim the line. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Okay, now we will divide the shape into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay, the trick is change the middle point into 2 and then select vertical line. Okay, change the snap point into start, left click at the point. Okay, now we have 3 parts of the art. Okay, we got that the radius for the circle there is 33. So select the tools. The tool is circle center with 2 points with radius, and change the middle points into 1 and type the radius 33. Left click for the first point, left click for the second point, and bring the circle into the position. Right click to escape. No. Okay, use trim tool again. Select trim, left click at the line and left click at the circle to trim. Right click to escape, right click again. Now select the arch and select move or copy tool. Left click at the reference point, okay, and left click at the target point. Select multiple copies, type 2 in the box and click OK. Press escape on your keyboard. I think we should delete the vertical lines. Now, okay, we got the data about the line. Oh, we can delete this one. Okay, the distance is 3, so it will be 1.5 to right and 1.5 to left. Select parallel line tool and type the distance 1.5 to right and to left. Right click. Now select the line and delete. Okay, this one. Select trim tool, left click at the arch and left click at the line to trim. Right click. Now select the line. No. Select divide tool, left click at the point, left click again, left click at the point. Now you can delete. Okay, next, it is a rectangle Okay, we got the first use 2 points, draw manually. Okay, right click again, create the rectangle, select a rectangle tool, left click, and the dimension for the rectangle is 12. Type in the command line box add 12, 7.5 and press enter. 7.5, yes. Right click, okay. Select the rectangle, select move or copy tool, left click at the middle of the line at the bottom side, the upside of the rectangle, and bring the rectangle into the position. Okay, select delete original, click OK. Press C on your keyboard. You can fill the umbrella with a color. Select the umbrella, select hatch tool, and mark the solid fill. Okay, and click OK. Whoa! Okay, I think we have finished our job for today. Thank you very much for your attention in this video. See you in next video. I hope you will enjoy our video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.